Either I didn't know or I didn't realize the dollar store sells power strips.
Warning, do not try this at home. I'm not responsible for you frying yourself. I'm doing this so you don't have to.
Packaging is straightforward, and one reason why the cost can be lower and we can hope that it's still decent quality, there's no switch. They're not wasting money on a button or a surge protector or anything. There should just be a connector, regular short, good quality hopefully cord, and then it goes into just some brass strips that run the power down the lines. Before I open it, let's see if it works to some extent. That means I probably need a load of some kind. Didn't expect this guy to be making a return so quickly. All right. Boy. I guess that's good. Usual test strip here. And wherever it looks sort of visually appealing. We'll just turn it on and see if I get shocked. No surprise to anyone. Wire work. Let's see what's inside. You can make an extension cord by sticking a bunch of these in a row, right? Self-tapping screws. Adequate-ish length. This one looks rusted, so we'll take a look at that. No, it's just the plating. Factory tarnished. Oh, no surprise to anyone. It works. It seems a little poor though. They just kind of got some of the copper there. Oh, okay, that's a little less bad. I was like, this guy's not really affixed in here in any way. It just kind of loosey-gooseys itself and floats, but no, there's positive retention here that I assume vaguely aligns this, at least keeps it in better shape, and then actually makes the ground pin kind of isolated to that spot. So, all right, fine. And then these, of course, are held in by there in this shape. So let's see if we can take one of the plates out. Sharp, but okay, just kind of shoves in there, no surprise to anyone. So that's going to be your fuse, is this connection from here to here. That's going to be the weakest link of the whole thing, because that's what feels just a little less than perfect, really. So it looks like that's adequate cable coming in, and then they just stuck down whatever bit that they could onto the bar. Maybe that's enough for whatever. Does this have a current rating? 13 amps. It's quite a bit. I mean, I swear to you, this cable seems great to me. I'm just concerned about that. Let someone else decide. I'm gonna plug more than a total of 1625 watts, or 825 volts. Let's go like this and plug it back in. Don't do that, kids. Of course, we need a comparison, so here's the strip I was just using. Notice it is unplugged from the wall, so I don't, you know, die. And looks like there's screws. Has a funky fresh smell in there, let me tell you. We can see tons of solder along the switch there. A nice thick wire all through there. The wire goes through a hole and is soldered all the way through. So you've got the entire thickness of the cord, or whatever, the thickness of the wire in contact with the actual bus bars, I guess. Just different design along here. I'm not too worried about the contacts in the other one. Don't you know yet, I'll have to make another video where I just like short this and see what catches fire first. House tripping or this guy, so you know. But for now, it does its job to the bare minimum, so if you're just plugging some lights into it, you're probably fine.